So let me come to that is the matrices. In previous video classes we have discussed that is the syllabus and the regarding the matrix, the first units in the the paper only one paper we have. The second paper is eliminated. On the paper retreat, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು paper ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ practical 40 marking practical ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. So that and 10 internal, here 80 plus 20 marks. In that chapter we have discussed the matrix, about the matrix. So we have recalled whatever the things we have studied in the second year. So we have already taken the definition of the matrix. Matrix means it is a rectangular arrangement of a number in a rows and columns. And also we came to know that the order of a matrix, what we mean by the order of a matrix means number of rows and number of columns. Number of rows into number of columns are called as the order of a matrix. Next we move to that is the types of matrix. Types of matrix. Types of matrix. So in the types of matrix, first we start with the row matrix. Row matrix means a matrix which containing only one row is called as a row matrix. Row matrix. Row matrix. A matrix which having only one row, only one row is called the row matrix. Is called the row matrix. Row matrix. So here we take the example for that. Example for the row matrix. Let me take that is A matrix. So only one row, 1, 4, 6. So it containing only one row. So it is called. What is the order of this row matrix? That is 1 cross 3. 1 cross n. So order of any matrix is of the form 1 cross n. N is any number. So we will take another matrix, that is B is equal to 1, 2. So what is the order of this matrix? 1 cross 2. So this is called as a row matrix. Next we come to that is the column matrix. First row matrix I think. So next in what is the column matrix. Column matrix andre enre a matrix which containing only one row. So a matrix which having only one column is called as a column matrix. A matrix which having only one row is called as a row matrix. So matrix which having only one column is called as a column matrix. Next we come to that is the column. So that is the column matrix. Column matrix. So in the column matrix, a matrix which having only one column. Yada column matrix in theory ante a matrix which having only one column is called the column matrix. Column matrix is called as a column matrix. Example for this. Example for the column matrix, that is A is equal to, so 1, 2, B is equal to 6, 7. So this is called as a column matrix. Order of the column matrix is 3 cross 1. So 2 cross 1, 2 cross 1. So it's called as a 3 cross 1, 2 cross 1 or n cross 1 is the order of the column matrix. So next we come to that is the square matrix. So next entry, square matrix. So third type of matrix. So the third type which we are going to study, row I3, column I3. Next in model 3, zero matrix. Zero matrix. Zero matrix. So what we mean by the zero matrix means all the elements of a matrix are zero. If all the elements of the matrix A of the matrix A, all the elements of the matrix A are zero, then the matrix A is called the zero matrix. Is called as the zero matrix. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ zero matrix ಅಂತ. So example for the zero matrix means we can write that is A is equal to zero matrix. How will you write 0 0 0 0? So see if all the elements of this matrix are zero, or we can take the another matrix, that is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So here all the elements of the matrix are zero, then it is called as a zero matrix. Next we move to that is the fourth one. Fourth is square matrix. So square matrix ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? We have already known about the square matrix. If number of rows equal to number of columns, ರೋ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವ್ರಿ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. So let me start, that is the square matrix. Square matrix. Square matrix means a matrix in which the number of rows equal to columns. A matrix which having number of rows is equal to number of rows is equal to number of columns. Number of rows equal to number of columns is called the square matrix. Is called the square matrix. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನೈತಿ? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಈಕ್ವಲ್. So which a matrix which having the number of rows is equal to number of columns is called as a square matrix. ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೋ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. Example, let me take that is A is a matrix. So that is 1 2 4 6. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೋ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅದಾವ, 2 rows 2 columns, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಅದಾವ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇಳಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, so already you know about the diagonal matrix, so scalar matrix and also unit matrix, for which we call as so that is the diagonal matrix. So diagonal, principal diagonal edukanteli already you have known that is. So principal diagonal andre, so in a square matrix from left top to the right bottom is called as the diagonal. Idike enantevri diagonal. The elements of this are called as the diagonal elements. Elements of this principal diagonal are called as the diagonal. So edake diagonal antevri andre, suppose innondu matrix thodondre innondu square 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, it is a square matrix. In this, for which we call as a principal diagonal, edake principal diagonal antevri, from left top to the right bottom, left top letter right bottom along the diagonal is called as a principal diagonal. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ principal diagonal ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. And the elements which contain lie in the principal diagonal are called as the diagonal elements. In remaining are called, so the remaining elements are called as the non-diagonal elements. So these you have already known. So now we have to define that is a unit matrix means. So unit matrix is nothing but the square matrix in which the principal diagonal elements are unity and non-diagonal elements are 0. So that how we have to define. So that is a, so we can write that is the fifth one, unit matrix. Unit matrix. Unit matrix. Unit matrix means, so it is as matrix A matrix. Matrix A is said to be a unit matrix. Unit matrix. Unit matrix. Matrix if A is equal to, it is defined as a Aij hingu ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು, is equal to, so 1 ಯಾವಾಗ 1 diagonal elements ಯಾವುದು, ಈ I ಮತ್ತು J equal ಇಲ್ಲ, 1 if I is equal to J. So first ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, A should be a square matrix. A matrix A is said to be a unit matrix if A is defined as a, so like this, and 0 if I is not equal to J. So A should be a square matrix. A ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, square matrix. A square matrix, a matrix, a square matrix. Be better. A square matrix. A square matrix A is said to be a unit matrix if A is equal to, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ Aij ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತವ್ರಿ, 1 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಯಾವಾಗ್ರಿ I equal to J ಇದ್ದಾಗ. I ಯಾವಾಗ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, ಡಯಾಗನಲ್. ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದುದ್ರಿ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0. ಲೆಟ್ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ A is equal to, so A11 first A11 1, A12 1 ಮತ್ತು 2 ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0. A21 ಬರ್ತದೆ, so A13 A1 ಮತ್ತು 3 ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ 0. So 0 ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 1 2 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 0 0 1. So this is called as a unit matrix, and also we call it as an identity matrix ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇಳಿ identity matrix. So next another sub matrix which we have to study, that is the last type of the matrix. So that is sub matrix. Sub matrix means a matrix obtained by deleting some rows or columns or both together, that is called as a submatrix. So let me study about the submatrix. This is a new one for you. Submatrix means what? Deleting some rows or a column, a matrix obtained by deleting some rows and columns. Suppose if we have a given matrix A is equal to A ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ matrix ಗೆ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here we have a matrix like this. So we have to form the another matrix. So you know the matrix. Deleting some rows or column delete ಮಾಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ, row delete ಮಾಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕು? So the matrix obtained by deleting some rows or a column. Suppose I take that as A is a matrix. I take that as C is a matrix. So another 1 4 3 6. So this is a matrix which is obtained by deleting the columns. ಇವೆರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತ್ರಿ? ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ತ್ರಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇಳಿ? ಸಬ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. The matrix which is obtained by a given matrix by deleting some rows or columns or both together. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ? ಎರಡೂನು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ, ಅಥವಾ ರೋ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಲಮ್. So that is called as the submatrix. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವ್ರಿ? ಸಬ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವ್ರಿ ನಾವು. Let's take that. A matrix obtained obtained by deleting some row obtained from a given matrix obtained from a so matrix obtained from the given matrix So next we come to the submatrix. Submatrix means a matrix obtained from the given matrix by deleting any row or any column or both from the given matrix. So is called as a submatrix. Okay, another is submatrix. On the given matrix, A is a given matrix. We will take that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 11 12. So this is a square matrix. So we have to obtain the submatrix. Submatrix means so that is obtained by deleting some rows. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಮೂರು ನಿಮ್ದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್. ಸೊ obtain row ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಕಾಲಮ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡೂ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. That they are called as a submatrix. So let me take that is a B is a matrix obtained by deleting row and column. Row ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರೋ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಈ ರೋ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? 5 6 8 9 10 12. So this is another submatrix which is obtained by deleting first rows and the third column. That is called as a submatrix. So now you see one delete ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 1 2 3 5 6 7 9 10 11. So I have deleted that is the which? That is the third column. So the B and C is a submatrix of A. B ಮತ್ತು C ಏನದಾವ್ರಿ? A the submatrix. So next we move to that is the after this here you have to note that so itself is also a submatrix. ಒಂದು ಏನ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಐತಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ itself is a submatrix. So that is A itself is a submatrix, that you have to remember. Next we move to that is a minor of a matrix. Minor of a matrix. Minor of a matrix means what? First we have to find out the minor of a corresponding element. So that is a determinant determinant of a corresponding to any square submatrix of a matrix A. So minor we have already known, that is minor of an element is nothing but the determinant obtained by deleting that row and column. So if we calculate all the minor of a matrix, we get that is the minor of a whole matrix. Minor of a matrix. So minor of an element is nothing but that is the determinant obtained by deleting the row and column containing that element. Adukku enantharu minor of an, so minor of an element we call it as. So next we come to that is the minor of a matrix. So previously we have studied that is a minor of an element, but here we are going to study that is minor of a matrix. Minor of an element the determinant obtained by deleting that row and column containing that element. So here we are going to discuss that is a minor of a matrix. It means what? Let A be any matrix. So A another yavado matrix of order m cross n. Then the minor of A is the determinant. Minor of a matrix A is the determinant corresponding to any submatrix. Yavade submatrix? Determinant corresponding to any submatrix of a matrix A. So determinant of any submatrix of a given matrix is called the minor of a matrix. Adukku enantharu minor. If for example nanu matrix kottara ante irukkodu. So that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It is a matrix we have. It is a matrix. So submatrix, a square matrix, that should be a square submatrix. So that determinant is always in a square. Howdri? So determinant obtained. Here moduli. So it is of order 3 cross 3. So itself is a minor of a matrix. So submatrix means a determinant. Let me take that is a C, determinant of 1 2 4 5. 1 2 4 5. 1 2 4 5. This is the order 2. It is the order 2. So this is another minor. 2 3 5 6. This is another of order 2. So these are the submatrix of the given matrix. Here what we have written? Determinant. So these are called as the minor of a matrix A. Minor of a matrix A. We get that is a different of order 2, or we can simply see single element determinant. So deleting that, so rows and columns eradu delete madಬೇಕು, ಒಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಅದರದ್ದು determinant. So only one element is also submatrix, and its a determinant is called as a minor of a matrix E of order 1. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ order, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ order 2. So it is a 3 cross 3. Itself is its determinant is also a minor of a matrix. So it is clear about the minor of a matrix. So next we move to that is a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix means what? A matrix A is said to be a symmetric if its transpose equal to A itself. A matrix A is said to be a symmetric A is said to be a symmetric matrix if A transpose equal to A. If A transpose equal to A, then it is called as a symmetric matrix. It's called as a symmetric matrix. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? Symmetric matrix. Example, A is said to be a symmetric matrix. For example, that is 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9. So it is a square symmetric matrix. It is a symmetric matrix. If it make the transpose of this, A transpose equal to A will get. That is, transpose means what? Interchanging rows into column. Row ಮತ್ತು column na interchange ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇಳಿ symmetric transpose ಅಂದ್ರೆ. If the transpose of the matrix is equal to given matrix, then it is called as a symmetric matrix. Next we move to that is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix means a matrix A is said to be a skew symmetric matrix if its transpose is minus A. Its transpose is minus A. Here, a matrix A is said to be a skew symmetric matrix if A transpose equal to minus A transpose equal to minus A, then we say it is a skew symmetric matrix. So we take an example for this. A matrix A is equal to, so ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಡಯಾಗೋನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ 0 0 1 -2 -1 0 3 -3 3, sorry, here 2 3 0. So if you transpose it, A transpose will get that is, transpose means what? Row within the column work. 0 1 -2 -1 0 -3 2 3 0. So ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 1 -2 -1 0 -3 2 3 0 ಈ ತರ, which is equal to minus C. Then it is called as a skew symmetric matrix. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? Skew symmetric matrix ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So this is about the symmetric, skew symmetrics. Next tomorrow we are going to discuss, that is the theorem on the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay.